Sit. I got it. And they're arresting him. You police, you should be arresting Antifa. They're the ones that attacked him. What are you cowards doing arresting this guy?
Hi everybody, I just got out of court. Look at that big tall court there. That's the Court of King's Bench. That's actually all the courts are here. It's the Court Center in Calgary. Standing next to me, of course, is Sarah Miller, lawyer for Arthur Pawlowski, and today, lawyer for me and Rebel News. Now, Sarah, we were in court pushing back on a Calgary police production order that would have compelled us to hand over all sorts of files on pain of imprisonment. But you did the background legal work and you filed an affidavit, and the judge actually read the whole file, and she agreed with us today to quash that improper court order by the Calgary police. Why don't you give us a minute on what happened in court?
Yeah, so as you saw, it was very quick in court today, very brief. The judge had obviously read our application materials, read our affidavit material, and granted the order, which we weren't 100% sure was going to happen today. There is case law indicating where superior courts have been hesitant or refused or delayed on quashing the order. So we had our consent order signed, we presented it to the court. She said that she had done her homework and reviewed the materials and was ready to grant the order. She said she thought it was the appropriate outcome. So.
Yeah, so that's good, because we didn't know until just a few days ago that the police were going to consent to this dismissal. And of course, because, I mean, the judge's words, this isn't a run-of-the-mill case. Asking a superior court to quash a junior court, that doesn't happen very often, and judges don't want to do unusual things without care. So I'm impressed that the judge did her homework, read all the materials, and said that what you had proposed, a consent order, was appropriate. I got one last question for you, though. Did the Calgary police agree to pay any costs for this?
Yes, so they agreed to pay costs pursuant to Schedule C. So we have a tariff in the rules of court that set out for certain applications what costs could be awarded. It's not written in stone per se, but they've agreed to pay those.
And approximately how much is that?
I have the order here. It's going to be $675.
All right, so we spent about $9,000 preparing for today because the police don't know what the hell they're doing. We spent $9,000 because a cop wanted to seize our materials but didn't do it right. And the Calgary Police Service will pay us $675. Thank you very little. But we're gonna fight back. I'm sure the cops are gonna come back with a proper order this time, because they were humiliated today. They signed an order consenting to their work being thrown out. The judge said she thought it was appropriate that their work was thrown out. The judge ordered them to pay us $675. The Calgary police are embarrassed by what we do anyways. I'm certain they're going to come back. If they come back, will you be there to fight for us?
Of course I will.
Of course you will.
Every day.
Right on. There you have it. I'll wrap up there. Look, it is my belief that the police should not be able to seize journalist material just because they don't like the journalists. And that's exactly what happened here. And the judge signed on the line that is dotted. I believe the cops are going to come back. They're coming for Rebel News, but they got to get through me and Sarah Miller first. If you want to help us out, go to defendrebelnews.com. It's nice to have the cops be ordered to pay us $675, but that's just a fraction of what we've really paid to defend freedom of the press. Thanks for your help.